Alright, we're here at Mom's today, and what I'm doing here is cutting a few more of these ceiling timbers, trusses, whatever you want to call them, for the bump out. I was a few short on my calculations when I cut them the first time, but yeah, so this is just one of the originals that's, you know, seen better days, kind of warped and whatnot. So I have this little template so I can cut more of them. And so I set the table saw stop so that I can screw a new piece of wood to here so I can get the angle cut on it and have it be straight. So we got this, and what I did was cut, I needed 3 or 4, I think I'm going with 3, so I cut 2x6 that's roughly about the size I need it, and then I'll screw it to the template and then bring it over to the table saw and cut it. So we'll show you that in a second here. Alright, so what I did was I just set the original one on here, and you can't really see it, but I traced the line, and you can probably see it there, for where to set it on. And then, you know, with the new board, the excess will be sitting out here, and that's what we want to get cut off on a straight line. So we'll set it up and screw it on there. Alright, so we got it screwed on. So I just put a screw here, so I matched it up. Basically, we're just going to end on this point. Screwed it in there, screwed it in here, just 4 places, and you can see the line wants to match up here as well. We'll cut it to size, you know, when I'm done with this, so I have the proper angle when I'm done. But yeah, this is going to be all the stuff that disappears, and what's left will be the same shape as that. So there's the cut product. So got the correct shape. Take it off the template, square up the sides, and do a couple more. Alright, I'm back for the day. Today's a Wednesday, and another day off work. And yesterday after work, I cut these 3 boards, and we'll put them up in the spaces here. Alright, here we go.